Today we're going to review and demonstrate the Belgian Waffle Maker. And we got my wife's favorite mixture for pancakes and waffles. It's Kodiak. It has blueberries in it and a little bit of protein. She likes that. Okay, to get the Bella Waffle Maker going, you just plug it in, the red light comes on, and you're just going to wait for it to turn green, and she's just going to make a little adjustment on the heat. You just turn it all the way up. The higher you turn it up, the crispier it will be. Okay, and she's going to go prepare some batter for us right now and bring it over. All right, and she's done 1 cup of batter, half a cup for each waffle. We're going to have 2 today. And just open this up. Now that it's green, it's ready for the olive oil to be spread on. I'm just going to sprinkle some of that on, use a brush to brush it around and get it nice and lubricated. It's supposed to be holding the thing steady. All right, got that all around in there, and we're very happy with this. I think we would buy it again. So she's going to get the batter in there, and just a cautionary note, do not use the non-stick spray that comes in a can like Pam. It will coat the plates and you won't be able to get it clean. It does make a waffle similar to what you'd get at a hotel. You know, they used to have those at the place she worked at, and when she had to work at night, I'd go in and I'd stay until the batter was mixed, and then we would be ready to go. And need a little more. We're just going to flatten that out with the paddle there. Get it all around so it fills in. If you put too much, it's going to overflow. It's not a big deal, but you know, we watched other people do this for a review, and we figured out before we do it, we're going to learn how to do it right so that it looks good. I mean, it's supposed to be a professional thing. And maybe that's what they were shooting for. I don't know, but pretty simple. Close it, flip it over, wait for that light to turn green on the top, and you've got a done waffle. Yeah, so we're really happy with this. It wasn't very expensive. Came fine in the box. Just plug it in. Nothing really to set up, and so far so good. This is about our 3rd or 4th time using it. You notice a little bit of smoke there. That's not smoke. That's steam. It's a necessary part of it. It doesn't mean anything is wrong. And in fact, you should expect to see that when you use it. Okay, now the light's green, and we're going to open it up, take it out. And keep in mind, I've edited this down for time, so it might take a little longer when you're actually making them. That's not a microwave. And look at that. Beautiful waffle, ready to go. Okay. So thanks for watching. Take care. We love you. Bye.